Guided meditation can be a helpful practice for promoting tranquility and relaxation. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet space to sit or lie down in a relaxed position, ensuring that your back is straight and your body is at ease. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Now, bring your awareness to your toes. Imagine a warm, soothing light surrounding them, releasing any tension or discomfort. Gradually move this light up through your feet, ankles, your calves, your knee, your thigh, abdominal region, stomach, chest, your shoulders and hands, neck, and your face. Feel each muscle relaxing as the light passes through. Continue moving this light through your body, allowing it to melt away any tension. Shift your focus to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath. As you inhale and exhale, imagine each breath bringing calmness and tranquility, filling your entire being with a sense of peace. Envision yourself in a serene, natural setting. It could be a peaceful beach, a lush forest, or a quiet mountain. Engage your senses. Feel the warmth of the sun. Hear the gentle rustle of leaves and waves. And inhale the fresh air. As you breathe out, imagine releasing any stress, worries, or negativity. Visualize them dissipating into air like a breeze. Picture a tranquil inner sanctuary within yourself. This could be a cozy room, a peaceful garden, or any place that feels safe and calm. Explore this sanctuary, taking a soothing Explore this sanctuary, taking in the soothing atmosphere. Shift your focus to gratitude. Reflect on the positive aspects of your life. And express gratitude for them. Gently bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gradually reawakening your body. When you are ready, open your eyes. Remember that guided meditation is a personal experience, and consistent practice can enhance the effectiveness of this meditation in promoting tranquility and relaxation into your life.